Today's episode shows the draft to completion process of this outfit. Please stay tuned. The Ankara here is 3 yards, half yard of sequined velvet, a tape, scissors, ruler and a chalk. Here the shoulder is 20 inches. Place it on 4 folds. Here we have one side folded and an open side. We are to measure from the all folded side. Rule a starting line. The length of this jacket is 40 inches. The shoulder already folded by 20 inches. Come down by 2 inches for the shoulder slope. Mark 3 inches for the neck width. Mark 12 inches for the armhole. Rule the shoulder slope line. Mark quarter of the hip, which is 11 inches. Add 4 inches seam allowance. Then connect from the armhole to the bust point as shown. Come in by 1 inch from the armhole and connect a slant line from the shoulder. Mark the same measurement on the chest line on the hem. Connect the points. Mark 1 inch for the back neck depth. Curve the neckline, then proceed to cut out. Note that the shoulder slope for the back is 1 inch. Remove the back piece. Slope the shoulder for the front by 1 inch and cut out. From the front neck width, blend the front neckline to the center front and cut, then separate the middle. Place the velvet sequin on fold. The width is 3 inches. Trim the center front with the main fabric as a guide. Mark the width, cut out. Lay the sequin fabric as it should be on the main fabric. Notch the shoulder lines for easy identification. Measure the length of the sleeve opening and place on fold to cut out the sequin fabric. 24 inches is marked straight by a width of 6 inches. Place the width on fold and cut in half. The shoulder will be joined before placing the sequin fabric. The front pocket measures 9.5 by 9.5 inches respectively. The sequined width is 4 inches to be shared for both pockets. The drawstrings are 22 inches lengthwise by 2 inches widthwise to be sewn by half and half. Cut a sequined facing for the back neckline. The width is 3 inches. The facing will be placed on the main fabric like so. Place the right side of the facing on the wrong side of the fabric. Sew by 0.5 inch. Notch along the seam line. Top stitch the seam allowance on the main fabric as shown. Flip the facing in position. Pin in place. Fold the facing hem by 0.5 inch and top stitch along. Next, sew the sequined facing on the center front from the wrong side to the right side. Top stitch the seam allowance to the main fabric. Flip the facing back in position, fold the edge by 0.5 inch and top stitch from the hem to the neckline. Come in by 3 inches to place the pockets and from the shoulder come down by 21 inches. Overlock 3 corners of the pockets. Lay the sequined fabric on the raw edge and sew as earlier demonstrated. To attach the pocket on the main fabric, all 3 corners will be folded by 0.5 inch. While top stitching on the main fabric, pivot at the corners. Now the pocket has been attached to the main jacket. Next, join the shoulders. Right sides together, sew by 0.5 inch. Overlock the raw edge of the shoulder line. Sew the sequin fabric on the sleeve. Place the fabric on fold to sew the sides, starting with a back stitch and a seam allowance of 1 inch. Stop sewing 15 inches before the hem. The hem will be folded twice by 0.5 inch. This is the slit length. Fold twice by 0.25 inch and 0.75 inch on both sides. Make a back stitch at the end point. One rope has been prepared. Fold in the top of the other by ½ inch. Triple fold the sides by ½ inch. Then top stitch from top to bottom. With a safety pin, pass the rope through the channel. Pull out the rope with an excess of about 1 inch and top stitch the top closed. Repeat the same process on the other rope channel. Draw the strings to make a knot. The length becomes 9 inches or as preferred. Repeat same process attaching the other side and this project is complete. If this tutorial was helpful, please drop a comment, like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell for more videos. Bye!